Hi, this is Jacob Mays, and I'd like to welcome you to the topic selection portion of the dissertation challenge. Okay, so this is a step-by-step process for selecting the right dissertation topic. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to go through the mission objective of this section. All right, so first, the purpose is to find a dissertation topic that is unique, meaning it can't have been done by anybody else. It's got to be relevant to your field, meaning that it needs to add to the scientific literature. It just can't be a topic that you like. It needs to have some kind of value, and it allows you to complete your research and dissertation quickly. Again, our goal is 12 months, start to finish. All right. Now, at the completion of the topic selection missions, you will have found the right dissertation topic. You would have determined the problem to be addressed for your research. You will have found the gap in the literature. You will have determined the target sample for your study, the research questions, as well as having key articles from which to begin writing your prospectus or research plan or SMR. Okay? Now, who is this mission for? The topic selection mission. It's for those who have no dissertation topic ideas. It's for those who have not finalized their dissertation topic. And it's also for those who have not received approval on their dissertation topic from their chair or their school. Okay? Very important. All right. So let's talk about how I approach topic selection, because this is important. A lot of students are told, oh, you got to go and search the literature and 100 articles and search and search. That's nonsense. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. So I have developed what I call a topic selection pyramid. Okay. So the topic selection pyramid has 5 missions. Okay. The first mission is broad research topic search. Okay. You start out with a concept and then you whittle it down. Okay, you start out with something very broad. Okay, what would I like to study? And then you go through a process and you come up with a series of research topics. Mission 2 is you narrow those research topics into something a little bit more manageable. Mission 3, you're finding the gaps in the small number of research topics, valid research topics that you come up with. And then mission 4 is you're actually ranking the topics on key criteria so that you can determine which ones are the best ones to actually execute. And then based on the ratings and the gaps in the research, you select one research topic for your dissertation, and that becomes your dissertation topic. Okay? All right. So again, I talk about explore possible topics in mission 1, pruning the topics in mission 2, finding the gaps in mission 3, ranking your topics in mission 4, and then finally selecting your specific topic in mission 5. All right. So what are the next steps? After this video, you write mission complete under this video. Next, you determine if you need the topic selection mission. Some people have already completed their topic. Okay. So they don't need to go through this section. They just need to say mission complete. So after all of the missions associated with topic selection, just type in mission complete. You don't have to watch the video if you already have your topic. However, if you have no topic, again, if you have not finalized your topic, if you haven't received approval of your topic, then you need to click I need to select my topic in order to upgrade to topic selection, right? So it's what I call a mission upgrade, okay? And the mission upgrade gives you step-by-step video tutorials for each of the topic selection missions. So there are 5 missions, and I walk you through each one of the missions. You get a worksheet, you get the scorecard, and I walk you through the process. And I even give you, I think it's 15 or 20 minutes one-on-one time with me where we can go through it together and make sure that you're on the right path. And once you have upgraded your mission status, you click on My Library, and then you click on the topic selection upgrade. Okay, so let me show you what that is. Okay, so you're going to see this page. It's going to say topic selection. This is where you are now. you're going to type in mission complete. And then if you need to upgrade, you can click on this to upgrade, or you can say mark as complete and go to the first mission upgrade and see a partial video of mission 1. And then you can upgrade from that page if you want to, because you're always going to see this topic selection mission upgrade. So all of the missions are going to have upgrades if you need them. So whether it's chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's always going to be a mission upgrade when we get to that portion of the mission where you can upgrade for more detail and more hand holding. Okay. All right. So once you have upgraded, you're going to go to topic selection and upgrade. So once you have upgraded, you're going to go to your library. It says my library. And then under your library, you're going to see topic selection. You just click on that, and then you will see all of the mission videos for topic selection. And after you complete one and all of the exercises, you just type in mission complete, mission complete, mission complete. Okay? Now, if you've already completed your topic selection, all you have to do is just type mission complete. When you receive this topic selection emails, just click on the link and go to the video and just type mission complete. You don't have to watch the video. You're already done. Okay? That's essentially it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.